Today I will show you how to connect Google AI Studio to Firebase. First, open your Firebase project. Make sure you are already signed in with your Google account. When the project loads, look at the options related to Google AI. In order to connect it, you will need to enter a Gemini API key. Firebase gives you two ways to do this. You can use the Autogenerate option, or you can enter the key manually. If you want your work done automatically, choose the option that says Autogenerate. When you select it, Firebase will create the API key for you. This key will be linked to your Google AI Studio. If you prefer to do it manually, the steps are a little different, but still simple. Start by opening Google AI Studio in your browser. On the main screen, look for the button that says Get API Key. Click on it. You can create a new key or copy an existing key. Once you have the key, return to your Firebase project. In your Firebase dashboard, look for the Switch to Code button next to the Publish button. Click on it. Then go to the bottom left corner and click on the gear icon. This opens the settings. Inside the menu, select the User section. Now search for the field labeled API Key. You will see a space where you can paste the key you copied from Google AI Studio. Enter the key and save your changes. After saving, Google AI Studio and Firebase will be connected. Thanks for watching.